Hi everyone, we're Dana and JD, and we moved to the Philippines a year and a half ago from the US. It's been a wild journey, and we've been the happiest we've ever been. If you saw our last few videos, you'd know that we bought a townhouse in the Philippines. In this video, we are going to show you our final touches, and then show you the final house tour in the end.
Damaged.
Oh, that's really nice. Put it on the wall. Let's see.
Oh wow. It's pretty cool looking.
Wow, look at that. JD's wiping up our dish that we got from the mountains, from the local sellers and makers. Actually, I got these from their Amazon here called Lazada as well. And we thought they were bigger, but really they are
Little.
like, my hand is bigger.
But you know what?
They're cute.
Nice, honey. You picked out good
They're
ones.
nice.
They're very nice.
So we're gonna put another thing on there, and that's gonna be our key dish. And then what else, JD? I think we're gonna put a big mirror, full body.
Mirror. Yeah. And then I almost feel like we could put like a little plant right there, but we'll see.
Yeah, I think.
Because we have room to open the door.
I think per Veronica's design, my sister's design, there was a plant there.
Yeah, I think it would look. Yeah, because then the top of it would be up here. So that looks pretty good, huh, Dana?
That looks good.
Okay. Mirror.
This office is looking sweet. I got things everywhere still. We're getting the other room done, so yeah. And I got my workspace here. Kind of messy. And these open. Alright guys, so this office room is almost done. We are putting maybe the last thing on it, right, JD?
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of messy right now, but we're putting a few shelves over there. Then it should be done.
Gotta clean it up, but yeah, that looks not bad, huh?
Good job, Poo Poo.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Good. That's all that matters. That looks fantastic, babe. I like the way you have them up there.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna have some hanging plant on there, some books, and whatever else we could find. So yeah, here's the room so far. And here's the desk. I just tidied up all the paperwork into here. And then here's the desk itself. AC, we still have some stuff over here because they're still working in the other room. So, but yeah. There you go. So here's the before of the shower. JD's working on that.
Do you have the wires or the channel lock?
We're still waiting on the cabinets for the top of the fridge, cover for the side of the fridge, the countertop. Shot. How's it going, JD? Good. How you doing? It's looking pretty good. It's gonna be matchy with our fridge almost. With that almost. Almost.
Keyword almost. I'll take it.
Are you happy with it?
I am. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I just wish our countertop was white like it was supposed to be, but you know what? It's gonna look good.
I'll tell you what.
I'll tell you what. This will work because it has to.
Yeah.
So tired.
Alright guys, we want to show you the townhouse that is finally finished. Come on in.
Hey everyone, welcome to the townhouse and its final look. This is our living room and our entryway here. And we have some storage under the stairs and a nice TV setup for lounging and Netflix and chilling. It leads into our kitchen area where we have a dining room. And a nice big open kitchen to do any cooking you want to do. We're pretty happy with it. Got some fun stuff in here. Yeah. So one of the things we liked most about this townhouse is the kind of industrial feel it has to it. So we went with that and took it on a modern turn as well. So we have a nice modern industrial look here that we really enjoy. Nice and clean aesthetic, not crowded or cluttered. As you can see, we left the ceiling unfinished because we really liked the texture it gave it, going with that industrial look. And so we went along with that with our light fixture choices as well, and leaving some other things exposed that normally we would cover up.
This ducting here, we think it actually adds to the feel we were going for. So as you know, in every Filipino household, you've got to have a dirty kitchen. So we do have one of those in the back here. And another thing that we love most about this townhouse, which is a second bathroom. So speaking of leaving things exposed, we saw these stairs when we first moved in and they were going to stain them a different color, and we absolutely fell in love with the natural wood, so we ended up staining it ourselves clear. We're pretty happy with the results. Now we're on the second floor, and here is our main bedroom. Come on in. So one of the things we love about this main bedroom is this large space they left for a closet. And now you can have a look at our guest bedroom / office. Down here we have bathroom number 2. Take a look.
As always, thank you for watching our videos. Until next time.